we're at a grocery store now. It's actually kind of like a Walmart kind of place because they have some clothes and stuff here. They're all looking.
Thought you were talking to yourself.
Yeah, I know, I'm talking to myself. But what is this like? They sell clothes and stuff here too, Cindy? Okay.
Actually stationery too.
Oh, so is it kind of like a little Walmart maybe?
Yeah, like a Walmart.
Yeah, like a Walmart. So they have groceries and, you know, like home goods, clothes, pets, shoes, toys, things like that. Yeah, so we're just gonna take a look around here. It's called, what is it, Beisia?
Beisia.
Beisia. So they have lots of departments, like little supermarkets like this around Japan. This is like one of them. So they have lots of different tofu. Their tofu is so much better here than in the States. But like one pack of good tofu is like $1. And here's some natto, fermented soybeans. These are really good for you. And they have all different kinds. These are like only like 80 cents a pack. And there's like 3 of them in there. What is this, kimchi?
Yeah. It's like they have a lot now.
Yeah.
I don't remember seeing
it's like
all this
so
before.
many different types of kimchi here.
It's popular now. It's trending.
Yeah.
It's trending.
So this is pretty cheap too. This is like $2.
Yeah, Brian likes the daikon ones too.
$2 for this. Oh, this is Japanese cucumbers. Lots of Japanese veggies here. What did you get? So that's daikon and cucumbers. A pack of cucumbers is $2, a little less than $2. I love Japanese cucumbers. They're so much better than the bigger cucumbers because they have more taste to them. And this is white radish, the daikon. You can get a whole, like, big one, or they have ones where you can just get half sizes, and that's what our sister got here, a half size. And that's like, you know, half the price, 100 yen.
I wish we could do that with cabbage too.
Cabbage too, I know. I always think about this because I can never use a whole cabbage. So it's nice that they cut this in half for you. You can get it for like 60 cents. So this is Japanese pumpkin, but their pumpkin tastes so much better to me. The flavor is so different. It's completely different from like American pumpkins. This is different types of salmon. So each pack, you know, ranges depending on how much you get, but that one's about $3. What's over here?
That is.
Oh, for like a salmon lunch?
Yeah.
From a salmon lunch that...
It's under $4.
Under $4.
Looks so good.
And they have these other boxed lunches too that you can get. That's $3 to $4. Or some of them are $5. Oh, Candy's gonna get it. I never see stuff like this. Yeah, I don't see octopus like this at grocery stores, do you?
No.
It's not bad though, like $4. I mean, yeah, it's a little piece, but look at all these different types of miso soup you can get. So many different miso pastes. So they have like dark kind, they have light, medium. So that's like less than $3. That one's less than $2. Do you guys eat stuff like this?
No.
I use it for miso.
Oh, miso soup?
Ryoji used to eat that like that.
And then I make dashi from that.
Oh, you make dashi from this? Oh, okay. So this is the rice seasoning. I like this one. It's called noritama, but it has eggs in it. Eggs and seaweed. Oh, this is my favorite section. So this, I love getting these karaage mixes because it's super simple. But this one in particular is so good because it makes the meat soft. It really does. And the flavor is really good. Yeah.
It's expensive when I buy it.
Yeah, if Candy buys it for me in the States and California, yeah, double, almost like triple sometimes. So it's way cheaper. But they don't have this brand lately. At the store that Candy usually goes to.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get a bunch of these here. Lots of different mochis. What did you get? So Candy got this one. She got these little mochis because we can't really find these in the States. Of course, it's not as good as the real size or the regular size, but it's kind of cute, these little ones.
Mom was showing me, she wanted to show me this. For your bento, they already cut up the nori.
Oh yeah!
To make a
I've seen
soccer
the
ball.
Hello Kitty one.
And the
これもらった
Hello
ことあ
Kitty.
るから。It's so cute. So it's like they already cut up the seaweed so you can make it into a soccer ball with the rice when you make the bento boxes. And this one has Hello Kitty shapes on it. I actually got these before and I've used it on the onigiris. I remember, Candy, you put it on one of them.
Did I? Oh, I don't remember.
It was a while ago.
They're so cute. I can buy them so much cheaper here.
Oh yeah. How much is it? Less than $1?
Yeah, like when I buy it's like over もう250円ぐらいかかる。あっちだと。
でもこれレスthan dollarだよね。
Yeah, it's less than $1 now.
These are all the different kind of rice seasonings you can get. Candy likes this one a lot.
Yes, I like the hijiki ones. I'm looking to see what the expiration date is.
There's more rice seasonings here. But these ones, you get a variety. So it comes in little packs. Yeah.
Because you don't eat certain ones like
Yeah.
this one and this one.
I don't eat any of these except for the noritama, the egg one.
Oh, they have a noritama one. Only noritama.
Oh, no way.
But they only have 2 more packs. There's only one more? Oh, there's another one.
So they have one just for the eggs.
Everyone wants just that.
Yeah, you get like 20 of them in here. Yeah, this is like better maybe than the one I got here, like just the pack. So I might put this one back. So this is like $1 for this full pack there. And then that was like $2 for these little ones.
You want to go to okashi?
Oh yeah. So this is all snacks, these aisles here. Like snacks. So these are all the chips. These are my favorite chips. I like the norishio. This is like, oh yeah. When I was little, I used to get this. It was like shrimp chips. But this one is seaweed and salt. This is my favorite chips. Lots of little snacks. Coconut. Mini Oreos. I used to love these, but I think I ate too much and I got sick of them.
That was a lot.
These are cute. Oh, okay. Sugar butter. There's all different types of gums. Ranges from like $1 to $2 for these little packs. I used to always get this one. This is plum. This is a blueberry flavored one. They also have gum that's like super minty. I think this is one of them. And of course, like the big packs, kind of like the States has. They have Pikachu gum now. I'm not usually a chocolate person, but I love Japanese chocolate. It's not as sweet as American chocolate. Like this one is really good. My grandma used to love these, my Japanese grandma. But I can actually get these in the States. Of course, it's more expensive, but at least I can get it there. It's more like these ones I can never find in the States. So this is strawberry chocolate. I really love strawberry chocolate. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. I used to like white chocolate a lot too, but it is a little bit sweet for me now. These ones are good though. It's like a white chocolate biscuit. Maybe I'll try one pistachio. This is, oh, the strawberry one's even cheaper. It's like 70 cents. These are all cough drops, right?
Most of them.
Most of them are, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so these are all candies down here, and then up here is cough drops. And I like Japanese cough drops because it doesn't taste as medicine-y.
Yeah, they have different flavors.
Yeah.
Like I do like when they have like the ginger ones.
Yeah.
But what I really like about
That one's good?
No, she said this is more similar to the States.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
But the reason why I really like cough drops in Japan is because they have some that have no sugar in it. And you know, when you're sick, you keep eating it, and I don't want to keep eating the sugar too.
Yeah.
So I usually buy ones that say that don't have any sugar, like
So like that one doesn't have sugar.
It'll say like no sugar. So I usually get something like this.
Oh, so Cindy gets the same thing,
Yeah.
the non-sugar one. But I'm gonna get this one
Lemon is the best.
and this one. I usually get like 2 or 3 packs. This is a fun section for kids. They have all different types of candy with like these characters, like this one. Mario Brothers chocolate, yep. This is like video game stuff. That probably has like a little toy, and this is mints. Huh. Of course, they make it so cute, but everything is like anime or manga related. I don't even know these cartoons anymore. This is pretty popular, I've seen. You make food items with jello or jelly. They have all different types now. They used to only have like a couple versions of these, and now they have like so many different types. This is cute. Ichigo party chocolate. It's a strawberry party chocolate. You don't see chocolates like this in the States. You know, this is a Japan thing where they have like characters shaped as chocolate shaped as characters, and it's on a stick. I mean, I've had these since I was a little kid, and they have all different types. This is a popular character in Japan, Anpanman. Of course, you can get all different types of cup ramen. There's like miso, wonton, cabbage, green onions. These are like all $1. And they have a yakisoba one, and rice, of course. This is about $20. More premium type. Lots of different rice crackers.
Yeah, these are really good too, like these thin ones.
Of course, they have cartoon character ones. Which kind are you getting, Candy?
Kodak, I like these too. Cindy does too.
Yeah, those are good. So these are all the drinks here. I'm gonna get Caffeine Zero, Soken Beach. I've got one of these.
Are you copying off of me, Crystal?
Yeah.
It's a lot of stuff you're getting, Crystal.
I know. We have so much.
Some of it's mine.
Yeah.
We gotta pack our own groceries here. But it's always been like this, not before Corona or anything, or the pandemic. It's always been like this, where you put your own groceries in.
Whew. All right.
All right, we just left the grocery store.
Yeah, we just got a whole bunch of stuff. Everything was under $100 out of all the things that we got. It was so much.
I'm just afraid it won't fit in my suitcase.
I know,
We'll see.
yeah. But we got like, groceries to take back home, but also some lunch.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have lunch when we get back home. But we didn't even get to do the home goods section because it was so huge in there. Just the grocery section alone, we were spending
about an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I was getting tired. I'm like, man, I'm hungry.
Yeah. So we're like, okay, we gotta wrap this up.
Yeah, we gotta wrap it up and go eat.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.